So this footer is a minimum of 16 inches wide. It has rebar apparently every 1 foot, or it looks like maybe, I don't have a tape measure, but maybe every 16 inches. Okay, they're every foot. So there's rebar every foot, and then these outcroppings are for what's called a dead man, and it's going to be a little piece of concrete that sticks out into the earth and is about 4 feet high. And there's 2 on each side, there are 2 on the back, and there's 1 on each of these sides because the grade is not going to be all that high. The grade of the ground is going to be kind of down low on these sides. And then these are the footers for the posts. And what's going to happen with these is the concrete, this one's probably going to end up filled up eventually, probably on the wall load. They're going to finish that one off on the wall load. And that one's already at its full height. But those are 12 inches thick and they're 42 or something like that wide. So that's going to create a big base for columns that are sticking up. All in all, this work looks really good, and I'm really happy with the work that this foundation company does. I think they do a nice job. I kind of wish that I had had a drain tile going out to the outside right there, but that is kind of my fault, not anybody else's. So I guess we will see what we can do about that at some future point. So apparently this is our best soil down here. I don't know if we want to put our gardens down there, but I kind of always envisioned from the house to the front just being like a wild open kind of space, just letting the grass grow. And then if you look right here, there's kind of like a creek valley, and I kind of picture maybe putting like a little bit of a dam across here somewhere and having a little pond right below our house. I think that would be a really cool feature, but we'll see if that happens. I don't know. Never can tell what the future will bring. This is another attempt at an outro. Like and subscribe. Ask me questions. I don't even know what anybody would want to know about this stuff. So it makes my life a little difficult whenever I'm trying to make videos and I don't even know who would care what goes on here at a build.